Training is a fundamental part of any Pi system implementation project. But where to start? How do you intrigue your audience and develop for them an engaging Pi system learning journey? Welcome to Successful Pi System Adoption through Staff Training. We'll help you improve your time to value by presenting a framework for effectively onboarding your colleagues. We'll take an instructional designer's look at how to appropriately structure training sessions, activities, and learning materials. We'll discuss learning paths and learner motivation and explore the OSI Soft suite of learning and support options. This lab assumes some familiarity with our products, but more importantly, a keen interest in leveraging training for a smoother adoption experience. So let me guide you through the training aspect of Pi system implementation.